Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a random map selector, or say map chosen, and then whatever map you have made, it will appear, and there could be, if you have like more than one map, it will select randomly, so that's just red, and it will just keep going on. So I'll just try and get an example of when it's randomly selected. So after red is up, it hopefully will be something different. Yep, we've got yellow map, and then the yellow brick will appear. So this is actually just randomly selected. I've only got 3 bricks here, and it's just yellow, green, and red, and they're just all just different bricks. So let's get into the video. So pretty much what you want to do is, I'm just going to close off toolbox. Inside of here, you want to add a folder in a script into workspace. I'm going to name this to probably map picker. Then inside here, add in an int value and duplicate that. Make the value to, so for the first one, I'm just going to name this to intermission and game time. Well, not intermission like that. Doesn't really matter what you name it. Okay, so then you want to go local maps equals game dot lighting, and then inside of lighting you want to make a folder. I'm going to name this to maps, and then you want to go dot maps, and you just want to go local map equals no maps get children. Then you just want to drop another line and go local r time equals script dot game time. So r time is just like round time, but I've just shortened it up. And then you want to go local I time equals script dot intermission. Then you want to go local message equals instance dot new. Then in here you want to type in hint. Then you want to go while true do. Then you want to go local chosen map equals map. Then you want to do some square brackets and go math dot random 1 comma hashtag map. So that's what you want to do for that line. Drop another line and go local clone equals chosen map colon clone. And what this is doing is this line is choosing a random map, and this line is making a clone of that random map. Then you want to drop 2 more times and go wait I time. Then you want to go wait I time dot value, because if you're just saying to wait I time, then it's just gonna wait. It's not gonna work because it doesn't know what it needs a number to actually wait, but just using a proper thing isn't going to wait anything. So then you're gonna go message dot parent equals workspace. Then you go message dot text equals map chosen. Then you want to go dot chosen map dot name. Then you want to go wait 5, or however long you want your players to be able to read it. Then you would go message dot parent equals lighting. Your game dot lighting. Then you want to go clone, no, not color 3, clone dot parent equals workspace. Then you'll go wait r time dot value, and drop another line and go clone colon destroy. Then put the brackets, and now you just want to make your maps. I'm just gonna make some maps like I did last time. They're not really maps, but they're just parts. I'm gonna go like name this blue, red, and no green. And then for green, I'm just gonna make it green, and for red, I'm gonna make it red. So just select all these or whatever maps you're making, put them inside of maps. You want to hit play button, and it will say map chosen green, and then map chosen red. Okay, so we actually put so we put 0 in each of them, so it's not weighting anything. I'm just gonna go 5 for each so that I can actually show it works. But you guys just choose however long you want your rounds to go. Then once you're in, map chosen green, it will wait 5 seconds. Green will appear. 5 seconds later, it will disappear. Like that, and then it will choose a new map. And so guys, that is how you make your own random map selector. If this video helped at all, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to show that this video helped. And also subscribe because I am doing a 100 Roblox giveaway at 50 subs, and you don't want to miss it. Wow, it's been green 3 times in a row. But yeah, you don't want to miss that. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.